90,000 miles on this 2016 Dodge Challenger. Is it time to change the automatic transmission fluid? According to Dodge, this is lifetime fluid, so you don't need to change it. But again, what does lifetime mean? There are many good videos and many discussions about what that really means. I'm not going to go over that again or debate the service intervals. However, I do want to ask, what should I do at 90,000 miles? The transmission on this Dodge Challenger is ZF8HP70. This transmission is designed by ZF, as in the manufacturer in Germany. However, the transmission is actually made in South Carolina for the North American vehicles. According to ZF, the transmission manufacturer, the documents actually said that the transmission fluid should be changed somewhere between 50 to 70,000 miles. But according to Dodge, it's lifetime fluid. So you really don't need to change it. On my other vehicles, my prior 2014 Honda Odyssey, I would change the transmission fluid every 25 to 30,000 miles. And the transmission was perfect for the life of the vehicle. When I had the Honda Accord with CVT, I would also do something similar. I would change the transmission fluid about 30,000 miles. No issue, no slippage, just solid transmission. Now with 90,000 miles on this Dodge Challenger, how's the transmission doing on the original fluid? It's still pretty good. It shifts well, shifts smoothly, quietly. However, there are times I felt the transmission doesn't know what to do. Maybe about 10% of the time. In certain situations, a little bit clunky, a little bit slow to downshift or upshift. That could just be that the vehicle is 10 years old. The debate is, where do I take it to get this transmission fluid service? If I take it back to Dodge, they would say, well, this is lifetime fluid, so you really don't need this service. If they recommend that I don't need it, how many transmission service do they perform each day? Maybe none, because they don't need it. Do their technician have the skill set to actually do it properly? Because it's not something that they do every day. Again, because it's not needed. This ZF 8-speed automatic transmission is used by other manufacturers too. It's used across the Stellantis brand products such as Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, and Ram. Also on many BMWs, Jaguars, Land Rovers, and even Maserati and Rolls-Royce, to name a few. If this ZF 8-speed automatic transmission is used by BMW also, what do they recommend? According to BMW, it's lifetime fluid. So you don't need to replace it. So taking a Dodge to a BMW dealership will not work because this service is not needed. I could find an independent mechanic, but then again, how do I know this person really know how to do this? Changing the transmission fluid, it's not an everyday type of task. Are there independent BMW repair facilities that maybe have a little more experience in changing the automatic transmission fluid for this ZF? I don't know. I have to do some research on it. Can I do this myself? Yes, I can, but I'm not able to because I don't have a car lift and I don't have all the tools and necessary automotive expertise to really do it right. Some of you have done it and put out great videos step by step on how to do the transmission. But I'm going to have to pay someone to do it. If I was to do it myself, cost maybe about $800. If I was to pay an independent BMW dealership, the cost would be about $1,600. How about if I just follow the manufacturer's recommendation of not changing the transmission fluid because it is lifetime? Well, there's some strong arguments for that. As the mileage increase, there might be gunk in the transmission that if you change the fluid, and this will cause the gunk to loosen up and maybe flow to other parts of the transmission and create a clog there, which then may cause you transmission problems. Going back to the Hondas I used to own, I used to change the transmission fluid pretty often, so I know that the fluid in there is rather clean. But in this case, I have not changed it for 90,000 miles on this Dodge Challenger. Are there gunks stuck somewhere in the transmission that if I was to change it, that would cause an issue down the line? I did read on the Dodge Challenger discussion forum that this owner had 175,000 miles on their Dodge Challenger before they did the first transmission service. That's a little long. I'm not sure I really want to push it that far and take that chance, but I don't know. So why do manufacturers use the lifetime label on the transmission fluid? They do it to lower the cost of ownership, meaning that you don't have to pay for the service, so your overall cost is lower per se. Also, most owners probably don't keep their cars all that long, so it's on you if you want to change it or not. But for the original owners, chances are they'll probably sell or trade in the car by then, so they will never experience any transmission issues. The last point is, sometimes it's better not to touch the transmission at all. Some owners would take it to a repair shop, and if they don't know what they're doing and they didn't service it right, that may cause more problems and shorten the life of the transmission. So the manufacturer perhaps take this approach that it's better to replace the transmission when it's time, rather than try to service it here and there in those scheduled intervals and have something go wrong. If you already performed the transmission service for your ZF 8-speed automatic, I'd like to hear your story. I also like to hear your opinion on what I should do. Should I replace the transmission fluid at 90,000 miles now? Or should I just follow the lifetime recommendation by the manufacturer and just drive it till the end and see what happens? Thank you for watching.